Really? Because you're a fucking dumbass? F you.
Like, stay on the fucking road.
Bye, bitch.
It was at this moment that he knew. He up.
Gang auf die Seite!
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
Stop. Alright, stop.
Did I actually hit you?
No. Almost.
Look, I'm sorry.
DJN G25. Have you had anything to drink right now?
No, I was parked. Listen to what happened. I was parked right there.
Yeah.
I was looking at my media because it did something funny on the dashboard. I looked down and bingo, there you were. And that was that simple. It was just a...
Have you had anything to drink?
No.
Not even one sip?
No, of course not.
Are you sure, sir?
I don't drink.
Alright.
I told you what happened. That's what happened. I definitely...
Alright, it really scared me because I thought I was going to die. I thought I was just about ready to lose my left leg.
I scared the hell out of me, too.
Alright, if you weren't drinking, then I forgive you.
It was just a horrible potential accident.
Alright, right.
Have a good day, please.
Alright.
You okay?
Ты охуел, блядь, мудила? Я тебя справа обгоняю, по зеркалам смотри, мудак! Как я могу? Хули ты делаешь, блядь?
Get off the phone! Come on! She was on phone.
Yeah.
Mental! You wanna die! You stupid prick! Go f yourself!
Are we bothering you?
You have something else to do?
Here, we'll
This is my backyard.
Sorry.
You guys going up and down and up and down.
Do you want us to leave? Do you want us to leave?
No, you do whatever you want. I'll just do what I do.
Okay, we can just leave. I guess we pissed somebody off. I guess we pissed him off.
Hostile.
You just need to go.
You telling me to go?
It's as simple as asking us to fucking leave,
that's
dude.
it. You don't have to come up here and take pictures. Just tell us to leave. Do you live right here?
You do whatever you want.
We're not on your property. We're not in your yard. It's not noise pollution.
Exactly. You can just tell us to leave. Do you need to come and take pictures? That's all you need to do. Then just tell us to leave.
If you don't mind, dude, we're just gonna leave.
Okay, good.
So do you have to be weird? You have to be that fucking weird ass old dude?
I'm a weird asshole dude now?
What are you doing? Huh?
I'm a weird asshole dude?
Why are you being weird?
You're the one taking
Why are you sitting here taking pictures? Why are you being weird? We can just leave and you can be cool. Do you know that? You don't know that, do you?
I don't know anything.
I know, obviously. You got a mark on your head to prove you don't know shit.
Jesus, not sorry, you could have killed me.